We're starting. Okay, welcome back to the CCA Hurricane Forecast. I'm your host, Jada Herlock, reporting live as Hurricane Ian is brewing. We have our weather people, Davinci, Chow, and Maya Harry.
I'm Da Vinci, and this is Maya, whatever her name is. As you can see, Hurricane Ian is forming in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's a level 2.4 hurricane, meaning it's very, very dangerous. It seems to be traveling on a double helix, curvature, roundabout, hemispherical, maternal path. And for the first time in 82 years, this path has been replicated at Port St. Switch it over to Miley.
Thank you, Da Vinci and Maya, whatever her name is. Miley reporting live here at 111 Orlando Drive.
So what up? It's me, Tammy, and we're here at my home, where, as you can see, Hurricane Ian has been crying. He still is crying. He's been banging on windows. This one is for the boys and the women sisters out there. They see with the coolest system when he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck where he's saving up, and he might get a deal. He pop bottles and he got a record of bill. That's a sneaky little lip clip of what you'll find if you go to my hurricane party. Oh yeah, 111 Orlando Drive, 9 p.m. tonight. Thank you. Thank you. My job.
Okay. Reporting to Madeline Carr, live in Belle Isle. Madeline?
Thank you, Jada. We're reporting live in Belle Isle. It's after the hurricane. It's very chilly, as you can see. It's still quite windy, but looks like we have a lot of debris on the streets after Hurricane Ian, and it's very cold. This weather is going to leave us very chilly for the next couple of weeks. So be prepared. Bring your jackets. Bring in cold jackets, and be prepared.